So why should you pay attention to HUD homes? Here are a few benefits of showing your buyers a HUD home. HUD homes are usually priced to sell quickly, and there's a window where they are available to buyers who intend to use them as their primary residence. This means less competition from investor buyers. HUD homes are typically sold below market value and may need some repairs, but don't let that be an obstacle. They may qualify for FHA financing and low down payments of 3.5%. A buyer can often bundle the cost of repairs into the mortgage through loans like the FHA 203K. So you can fix up the home without needing extra cash up front. In order for your buyer to submit their bid for a HUD property, you will need to be registered on the HUD website by obtaining an NAID number. Every agent should be registered on the HUD website now. This is something you do not want to do last minute. One day you may get a call from your buyer that sees a HUD property online, and if you didn't take the few minutes to register in the past, you may lose the opportunity or have to refer your buyer to some other agent that is registered. In addition, HUD allows registered buyer agents to advertise their listings without permission from the listing agent. There are certain advertising guidelines you need to follow. For example, you shouldn't advertise their properties as distressed sales, and you must state they are HUD homes. So why wouldn't you jump on this opportunity and post the listings on your social media pages? The link to the HUD Home Store website will be listed in the description box along with steps to access the NAID registration PDF guide.